Creating good habits involves understanding the underlying principles of habit formation and implementing strategies to make desired behaviors automatic and sustainable. Here's a simplified approach to creating good habits based on Clear's framework. Define specific, measurable goals for the habit you want to install. Clearly articulate what you want to achieve and why it's important to you. Break down your desired habit into small, manageable steps that are easy to accomplish. This reduces the barrier to entry and makes it more likely that you'll follow through. For example, if you want to start exercising regularly, begin with just 5 minutes of exercise per day. Create obvious cues or triggers that prompt the desired behavior. This could involve placing your workout clothes by your bed to remind you to exercise in the morning or setting a specific time and location for your habit. The key is to make it as easy as possible to initiate the behavior. Incorporate the habit into your daily routine to make it more automatic and habitual. Choose a specific time, place, or cue to trigger the habit and make it a regular part of your schedule. Reward yourself for following through on your habit to reinforce the behavior. This could be a small treat or a positive affirmation that reinforces the value of the habit. Positive reinforcement increases the likelihood of repeating the behavior in the future. Identify and eliminate any obstacles or friction that may prevent you from sticking to your habit. This could involve removing distractions, simplifying the task, or enlisting support from others to help you stay on track. Consistency is key to habit formation. Make a commitment to practice the habit every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Over time, consistent repetition will help solidify the habit and make it more ingrained. Keep track of your habit progress to stay accountable and motivated. This could involve using a habit tracker, journaling about your experiences, or sharing your goals with a friend or accountability partner. Seeing your progress over time can boost your confidence and commitment to the habit. Be willing to adapt your approach as needed and make adjustments based on feedback. If a particular strategy isn't working, don't be afraid to try something new. The key is to stay committed to the goal of forming a positive habit and to keep experimenting until you find what works best for you. By following these principles and strategies, you can create good habits that stick and lead to positive changes in your life over time. Remember that habits are built through consistent, repeated actions, so be patient and persistent in your efforts.